Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we can discuss how to enable Touch ID or fingerprint on App Store purchases. For example, if you open App Store and if you want to install or download any of the app from the Play Store, and if you want that nobody except you should install the app from the Play Store without your permission, then you can simply set fingerprint lock or touch ID on your App Store purchases. So if you want to get any of the app on the App Store, for example, I am having or installing an app, then it is asking for the touch ID to install that app. And if you want to do that, then how you can do that? So first of all, you have to close the App Store, and after that you have to simply open the settings here. In setting, you have to scroll down, and here you can easily find the option of touch ID and passcode, and here you have to provide your passcode. And as you can see, there are 4 options available which you can allow to use your touch ID or fingerprint lock. The first one is for your lock, and the second one is for iTunes and App Store. And if you want to use Touch ID for iTunes and App Store, you must have to turn on this toggle so that you can easily install apps with using Touch ID. Hope you have liked this video. If you want to get more videos like these, kindly subscribe our channel.